Sky News. My name is Eric Ted. Our top stories this morning. Barack Obama is expressing his joy at winning the election in a rap on the popular hosting website YouTube.
If you voted for me, changes on the way, know it. If you voted for me, changes on the way, know it. If you didn't get up with it, cause I'm staying home. If you voted for me, changes on the way, know it. I got hope for my lips, blackberry on my hips, Secret Service, we rolling deep.
A police raid in Surrey reveals large quantities of smuggled kryptonite. A report issued today by the government reveals an increase in health and safety Nazism. But first, this news just in. At 8:56 this morning, a passenger train headed from London to Swindon has fallen victim to a terrorist attack after suffering 2 explosions when arriving at Swindon's Great Western Station. The number of casualties are unknown, but sources predict there could be anything up to 200 people left dead or injured from this attack. Police intelligence has uncovered this video which links the attacks to the Free Wales Army, an almost unheard of extremist group that are believed to originate in South Wales.
We are the Free Wales Army, known in our land as My Burn Glendower. We're here with a few demands and we won't stop with our attacks until they are met. These demands are: we want the 7 bridge tolls to be reversed. No second homes in Wales or they will crumble.
Here we booked this. Go on, just continue. Silly evil.
Charlotte Church as Prime Minister, obviously. Oh, and we want our independence as well. We don't like the English. We have never liked the English, and we will never in future, ever.
Hello? Hello, ma'am. No, I told you not to ring me when I'm with my friends. No, I do not like shepherd's pie. I'll call you back later. Sorry, boss.
So hard finding out these days. If there was only a few of us, you'd be fired by now. Like I was saying, we have plans to show you how serious we are. Firstly...
Hello, ma'am.
We have taken a sheep hostage.
Sheep.
We are going to take him back to my headquarters, where we will torture him and such. Next, it'll be worse. Only the members of the Free Wales Army know of our next attack. It could be now, it could be tomorrow, it could be the day after, or maybe the day after that, or maybe the day after that. Well, you get the gist. This terrorist threat was brought to you by Dr. Pepper.
What's the worst that can happen?
Free Wales Army, cover and beef. Out.
Wiltshire Police have assured the public that the threatened continued attacks will not continue as a new MI5 unit has been dispatched to arrest all the members of the terrorist firm. As they have been located in a group on the social networking site Facebook. We now go to a man on the scene, Hugh Janus.
Yes, thanks Eric. I'm here at the scene of the incident, Swindon train station. So far there's been no deaths apparently, but a few minor injuries. I'm here with an expert, hopefully he can tell us more about the situation.
He is an expert.
Thank you. What can you tell us about the situation at the moment?
Well, using really complex calculations using pi and cosine, I've come to the conclusion that there has been an accident.
Okay.
Yes.
How long did it take you to realise this?
Well, it took a while because the calculator broke, so I had to use my intelligent brain using pi and cosine. I'm on fire! From my calculations, I can tell there is someone on fire.
Okay. Don't you think someone should put him out?
Well, hold on. Using my calculations, I've come to the conclusion that yes, someone should put him out.
Okay. Who do you reckon is involved in this situation?
By using my complex calculations earlier, using pi and cosine, I come to the conclusion that it was someone.
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 Oh, right then. Someone should really help him.
Yes, my calculations are saying that someone should definitely help him.
Okay.
You are correct.
Okay. Well, that was a brilliant waste of time. This is Hugh Janus reporting to Sky News.
That's all for now. We'll keep you updated as more news comes in. Bye for now.